This is an Elk incorporated bass amp, FDB-61. It is 60 watts, a fairly basic amplifier, but a 1970s, late 70s Japanese. A friend of mine has bought it and asked me to look at it and see if I can get it going. What I could see when I sort of pulled it out of its box is the mains fuse has blown, and also I found underneath the charred remains of the bridge rectifier and the power supply. So I thought what I will do to start is pull these fuses out, which isolate the amplifier from the power supply, so it's just the power supply running and nothing else. And I rigged up a temporary bridge rectifier and hooked it into circuit. Then I plugged the cord into the mains, and almost immediately I was rewarded with smoke pouring out, and the smoke was coming off this piece of wire, which is an alligator clip, which I'd used to temporarily stitch in the bridge rectifier. The reason smoke came out immediately is because traps for young players. Guess what? That says on. That should be off, but it isn't. The switch is in upside down, so the moment I plugged it into the power was on, and the fault manifested itself and smoke came out. Now the reason the smoke came out, because the bridge, which is quite gutsy, didn't burn out this time, is because it revealed the actual fault, which is in this capacitor here, and that's one of the two main filter capacitors in the power supply, and it, with age or whatever, has gone short circuit. So that's as far as I've got with the amplifier at the moment. I've got parts on order, and maybe I'll make a second video when I get the new parts, which includes the new capacitors. So I'm hoping that the input section and the actual power amplifier itself is still functioning, and that the faulty capacitor protected all this. Okay, see you soon.